Good morning, Healthy Habitat fam. Ever heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, if you're diabetic, this couldn't be more true. Managing blood sugar levels starts right from the moment you break your fast. But the big question is, what should you eat that is tasty, filling, and blood sugar friendly? Before we dive in, here's a little teaser. Breakfast number 5 on our list is especially delicious. Yet so simple that you'll wonder why you didn't think of it before. So, make sure to stick around to discover that. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into these fabulous breakfast options. 1. Chia seed pudding with berries. When we think of power-packed foods, chia seeds easily top the list. They are tiny, but their health benefits are immense. Especially for diabetics, chia seeds are a boon. They are rich in fiber, which can slow down the rate at which food moves through your gut and is absorbed. This helps in maintaining a steady blood sugar level. Now, when these seeds are soaked, they absorb the liquid and swell up, giving a delightful pudding-like texture. Marry this with the goodness of berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. These fruits have a relatively low glycemic index, making them suitable for diabetics. Together, this combo not only tantalizes your taste buds but also ensures you start your day on a nutrient-rich note. 2. Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Next, we have Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt is often dubbed the liquid protein. It's thicker and creamier than regular yogurt because it's strained to remove the whey. This process concentrates the nutrients, giving you more protein per serving, which is beneficial in regulating appetite and blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about our crunchy buddies: almonds, walnuts, and seeds. Almonds are particularly known to aid in blood sugar control. Walnuts are a good source of essential fats, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Sunflower seeds, on the other hand, are a low-carb snack that can help keep blood sugar levels steady. And our little magic spice, cinnamon, has shown to have properties that can improve insulin sensitivity. 3. Whole grain avocado toast. Our third pick is a classic with a twist: whole grain avocado toast. The bread you choose can make or break your breakfast. Whole grains are complex carbohydrates, meaning they're made of longer chains of sugar molecules than refined carbs. This structural difference slows digestion, helping prevent the blood sugar spikes. Now, top this with nature's butter, avocado. This creamy fruit is a source of monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can improve cholesterol levels. The fiber in avocados can also help keep blood sugar levels steady, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. Accentuating this dish with cherry tomatoes not only adds a burst of color but introduces lycopene, a potent antioxidant. 4. Spinach and mushroom omelette. Number 4 is for egg lovers. Eggs are versatile, delicious, and an excellent protein source. For diabetics, protein is crucial as it has a minimal effect on blood sugar and can help in managing hunger. Spinach, with its mild taste, is a wonderful green to add. It's a great source of several vital nutrients, including vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and is important for skin health. Mushrooms, aside from their unique flavor, provide a range of essential nutrients like B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. Cooking with olive or avocado oil not only gives a richness to the omelette but introduces beneficial fats. 5. Quinoa and fruit salad. And now, the one I teased earlier, breakfast number 5: quinoa and fruit salad. Quinoa, often mistaken as a grain, is actually a seed. This superfood has been around for thousands of years and is known for its health benefits. What makes it stand out is its protein content, especially the fact that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. For diabetics, quinoa's low glycemic index is beneficial. Combining it with fruits like apples and pears gives the dish a sweet crunch without causing a rapid spike in glucose. A splash of lemon juice not only adds zest but also a vitamin C boost, aiding in absorption of other nutrients from the meal. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into breakfasts that don't just satisfy your morning hunger pangs but also cater to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. And when it comes to diabetes, the right choices can make a world of difference. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Habitat for more health-conscious content. Your journey to wellness deserves the best start, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, eat well, live well, and thrive in your habitat. Stay blessed and stay healthy.